guys, it's Rachel here. For today's project, I'm using a 3-inch, a 2.5-inch, and a 2-inch circle paper punch for this project, and I'm pairing it with Katie Squirrel and one of the acorns out of Dawn at Shiny Silver Treasures shiny brand new stamp set. She designed this and then had it produced for everyone to be able to purchase, and it is still so freaking cute. I love it. I love this little squirrel. The mushrooms are cute too, and I have ideas for those, but for the moment I am just having a ball using Katie. So today I'm just keeping it simple. I'm staying with the theme that I've put out there for quick and easy simple card making, and I still feel it is absolutely the best way to showcase the different elements in Dawn's Garden Treasures, as well as the different stamps in her brand new stamp set. So simple is a beautiful thing, either for time management or showcasing all the different things that are available to you. So if you haven't already, please go visit www.shinysilvertreasures.com. All of the links. The only one I think I forgot to add was the one for her Etsy shop. If it's not there by the time this is up, I will definitely get it in there shortly thereafter. And please also go check out all the lovely design team members. I am so happy to be a part of this group. It is so much fun. I was finally able to attend my first DT meeting with everybody via Zoom, and it is an absolute riot. And these gals, I just cannot state enough how talented these gals are. And they definitely are more than deserving of all the support and love that you guys can show what they do. Not everyone is on YouTube, but there will be links to whichever platform these ladies work off of. They will also, like I said, be in the description box below. So please go check out Dawn. Of course, there goes absolutely without saying, you know, she's the leader of the pack, tremendously talented, such an awesome person. Please go check her out, as well as her websites. So again, that is www.shinysilvertreasures.com. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna put the rest of this to music. That seems to be the format I've fallen into, just because too much chatting and I will start going off in 80 different directions, which I've done in all the times I re-recorded the audio to this. So I'm going to leave it here. And again, I am using elements from the Garden Treasures collection, as well as Dawn's stamp set that is available for individual purchase. So it is with the Garden Treasures kit, but not exactly part of, if that makes sense. So, but go check out all the fantastic supplies and crafting items that she has on her website. And again, don't forget to check out her Etsy site. That link will be in, if it is not already, by the time you are watching this. So please enjoy the rest of this next video in the simple card making series that I am using, showcasing the absolutely fantastic Garden Treasures Garden Treasures card making, as well as the paper collection. Yeah, I think I said that correctly. So, okay, before I go off again, you guys, please take care, stay safe. It is so much fun hanging out with you. Come by anytime, and we will just definitely have a ball. And in the meantime, I will see you in the next video.
In the sweet by and by, we will meet again. it ends too soon, but I know every word, and it goes like this, and it goes like this, and it goes like this. And it goes like this, and it goes like this, and it goes like this. Empty chair, time stood still, I couldn't move.